Hi and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen, where I share a weekly recipe with you. This week's recipe is a Kerala recipe. It is a snake gourd and jackfruit seed thoran. Now if you do not have any jackfruit seeds, you can make this thoran with just the snake gourd, or you can combine the snake gourd with potatoes or carrots, or even with potatoes and carrots. Just make sure that you use a firm vegetable for this thoran. Do not use a vegetable like brinjal, which will turn to mush. I have listed the ingredients in the description box below. So, shall we? This snake gourd weighs about half a kilo. That is before it has been cleaned. Next, 175 grams of jackfruit seeds that I boiled with a little salt. I will show you how to prepare both the snake gourd and the jackfruit seeds for cooking. 1 medium onion, 4 cloves garlic, 3 dried red chillies, and 50 grams scraped coconut that have been pounded together. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, salt to taste, 3 stalks of curry leaves, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now I will show you how to prepare both the snake gourd and the jackfruit seeds for cooking. I will start with the jackfruit seed. I have 1 jackfruit seed here. Now the jackfruit seed has got a skin. Now it is boiled with the skin, and then after it's boiled we have to remove the skin. We peel off the skin. You can see how I'm doing it. And when we peel off the skin, the brown layer that covers the seed also comes off. Therefore it's actually much easier to clean this after boiling the seeds. Just peel this off, and that's it. We'll start to prepare the snake gourd. Begin by snipping off both the edges, both the ends rather. I'll cut this snake gourd into 2 so it'll be easier for me to clean it. So just scrape off the skin as I'm doing. That's 1/2 done. Now I'm going to cut this further into manageable chunks. Now I'll show you how to clean this snake gourd. We don't use what is inside. Now let me split this into 2. This is what we need to discard, because these are the seeds. So clean it like this. Take off the middle bit. I'll show you how to cut this vegetable for this dish. Just cut it like this. Try to get them the same size if possible. So this is it. After the snake gourd has been prepared, this is what it looks like. Now we are ready for cooking. So shall we start? Just turn down the stove. It is at medium. Once the frying pan is hot, I'm going to put the oil in, followed by the mustard seeds, and then by the snake gourd, which I have just washed. The curry leaves. adding sufficient water to cook the snake gourd in. We'll increase the flame. The salt goes in next. Salt to taste. I'm now going to cover the snake gourd and it's been 5 minutes. So let's check whether the snake gourd is cooked. I'll just remove one. I'll remove this piece and test it. It's done and there's sufficient salt. Now I'm going to add the cooked jackfruit seeds. I'm going to reduce the flame a little bit. A bit less than moderate now. Let's now cover this dish and wait for the water to reduce. Let's check. The water is drying up. I'll just wait a few seconds, and the next ingredient to go in are the pounded ingredients. I'm going to cook this for a couple of minutes. It has been 2 minutes. I'll check to see if the coconut is done. Yes, the raw taste has gone. It tastes quite delicious, I must tell you. I'll just let it fry again for about half a minute. Turning the fire off. Our snake gourd and jackfruit seed thoran is done. Snake gourd and jackfruit seed thoran, a Kerala dish that my mother used to make whenever she got hold of some jackfruit seeds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until I see you again next week with another video, thank you, stay safe and bye.